Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Novata Ikwani binti Abdul Hamid. I am the leader of the group 16 and full presenter. The title of our group is Number of Residents and of Kedah State by Region from years 2070 to 2018. I want to talk about introduction, objective, and type of data and sources data. Introduction. Kedah, also known as Kedah Darul Aman, is one of 40 states in Malaysia. Kedah also has 12 districts within the state of Kedah. Among them are Baling, Bandar Baru, Kota Star, Kuala Muda, Kubang Basuh, Kulim, Langkawi, Padang Terap, Sik, Yang, Pedang, and Pokok Sena. Population in Kedah is increased every year. In this business statistic study, we study the data of the population of Kedah by near respective district from 2016 to 2018. Objective. First, build table to describe data and develop appropriate graphic method to represent data. 2. Find and explain the value is measure of center tendency, measure of variation, and measure of position. 3. Analyze and interpret the data using the ANOVA analysis, multiple regression, confidence interval, and Pearson correlation. Type of data and data sources. Our data of type is quantitative. Quantitative data is numerical data. Quantitative data can be divided into two discrete and continuous data. Data sources is secondary data. Secondary data is data that does not directly provide the research with data. Source has research to other or research to document.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Nur Ediana binti Edi Ahmad. My matrix number is A19A1093. I'm second presenter. Today I want to present our assignment. Let's start to construct all appropriate tables that can be used to describe the data.
A survey was conducted in 12 districts in the state of Kedah. The purpose of this survey is to find out the population of Kedah by region from 2016 to 2018. The data shows a table. The table clearly shows the frequency of each district. In 2016 to 2018, the highest number of residents in Kedah was Kuala Muda with a population of 500,900 to 514,400. The second highest number of residents in Kedah was Kota Setar with a population of 401,200 to 412,300. The third highest number of residents Kedah State by region was Kulim worth 317,000 to 325,600 people. Meanwhile, the lowest number of people in the state of Kedah is Bandar Baru worth 46,600 to 47,900 people. So, the total in 2016 to 2018 increase for the people of Kedah was 2,144,500 to 2,205,900 people.
That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.
Good evening to our lecturer. Okay, I am Nur Amirah Syafiqah binti Roslan. My number matrix is A19A0445. Okay, I am presenter number 3. Okay, my part is I will describe my graph method. Okay. Okay, graph 1 is a bar chart for years 2016. Second graph is a pie chart for year 2017. And the last graph is contingency table for the years 2018.
Hi, my name is Siti Nunashra binti Muhammad Nashri and number matric is A19A0876. I am the fourth person and I want to present about the find and explain the value and determine the shape.
The first measure is measure of central tendency. The group data is ungrouped data. In year 2016, the total of mean is 1078 and 708.34. The total of median is 1005 and 700, and the mode is the data has no mode. In year 2017, the total of mean is 1081 and 275 of people. The total of median is 1007 and 400 of people. The mode is also the data has no mode. In year 2018, the total of mean is 1083 and 825 of people. The total of median is 1900 and mode also the data has no mode. The shape distribution in 2 years is the same. In year 2016, 2017 and 2018, the shape is correct, right? The second measure is measure of position is quartile. In year 2016, Q1 is located at 3.25. Therefore, Q1 is 70,925 people. Q3 is located at 9 position. That is, Q3 is 2,098 and 575. In year 2017, Q1 is located at 3.25. That is 72,015. Q3 is located at 9.75. Therefore, the Q3 is 3,002 and 700. In year 2018, Q1 is located at 3.25. Therefore, the Q1 is 73,175 and Q3 is located at 9.75. That is 2,825. Lastly, the measure of variation. In year 2016, the total of friends is 4,054 and 300 people. The total of variance is 2.85 and the standard deviation total is 1.68. In year 2017, the range total is 4,016 and 500 people, while the variance total is 4.01 and standard deviation is 2.002. In year 2018, the range total is 4,066 and 500, while the variance total is 1.93 and the standard deviation total is 1.39.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys, my name is Sofia Anissa binti Muhammad Isfan Basri. My metric number is A19A0897 and I'm a presenter number 5 for our group. Okay, I will present about our data in SPSS. So stay tuned guys. Hey guys, I want to analyze and discuss questions using the SPSS output. Okay, I want to compare my answer in SPSS to with question 4. Question 4 shows the step on how to find the measure of central tendency, measure of variation, and measure of position. Meanwhile, in SPSS output shows the final answer only. So it is easy for us to discuss if the answer from question 4 is different. So it is easy to us to edit it back. Okay, next, the ANOVA analysis use SPSS. So this is the result of our data. Analysis of variance. ANOVA is a collection of statistical model used to analyze the differences between group means and their associated procedures. ANOVA is used to compare if there are significant difference between in year 2019, 2016, 2017, and 2018 of population of Kedah. Okay, for multiple regression use SPSS, we got the 3 table. The one table is model summary, the table 2 is ANOVA, and table 3 is coefficients. Okay, model summary. We get the R square value of 0.000, which is mean 0% of the variation in population can be explained by years. Okay, for ANOVA table, this is difference to ANOVA in slide 2. The ANOVA here is to show if the model is good or not. In the SIG, there is less than alpha, so the model is good. Okay, the coefficient table. The equation of coefficient tables is population equal to negative 4978888.889 plus 2558.333 years. Thus, for every unit increase in year, population will increase by 2558.333. Okay, next, the confidence interval in SPSS. So this is the result of confidence interval. Confidence interval is a range of values within which the population parameter is expected to occur. The two confidence intervals that are used extensively are the 95% and the 99%. The confidence interval in our data is shown 95% confidence interval. 95% of the sample means for the specified sample size will lie within 1.96 standard deviation of the hypothesized population mean. Guys, the last is Pearson correlation in SPSS. So this is our result. The Pearson correlation measure of direction and degree of linear straight line relationship between two variables, that is population and years. The value of Pearson's product movement coefficient, that's R, gives an indication of the level of correlation between two variables. It has a value in a range that is R is greater than -1 or equals, or R is less than or equal 1. The value of R here is in column in Pearson correlation in the population. The data shows the value of R is 0.014. A value of R is near 0 implies that there is little or no correlation between the two variables, that is population and years.
Okay, conclusion. Based on our data is number of residents of Kedah state by region years 2016, 2017 and 2018. This data we use to do the graph, calculate the data and use SPSS to compare the answer. Statistic thinking involves the careful design of a study to collect meaningful data to answer a focused research question, detailed analysis of pattern in the data, and drawing graphs that go beyond the observer data. Based on the data, we can calculate the measure of central tendency of years 2016, 2017 and 2018. Besides that, based on the data, also can draw the graph bar chart, pie chart and contingency table. After done calculate measure of central tendency, we use SPSS to compare the answer. SPSS has a wide variety of function can use for creating and recording variables. We will explore three kinds of function: is mathematical function, strip function, and random function.